Hi, Mom.
Oh, hey, Shay, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
So what are you doing?
I'm actually working on a booking for our group cruise on the Carnival celebration on May 20th of 2023.
That sounds very exciting.
It is. It's going to be a good time.
So I have a question of the day for you.
Okay, who's the question from?
The question is from James Dean.
Hi, James. Thank you for being a subscriber.
And today he's asking you, can you bring sodas or water onto the ship?
Good question, James. The answer to the question is yes. You can bring soda and water onto the ship. Now, there are stipulations. You get one 12-pack case of soda per person, and you get one 12-pack case of water per person. My suggestion would be to you is just to order the water from Carnival or Royal Caribbean or whatever cruise ship you're sailing on. Order the water from them. It's usually somewhere between $4 and $6 a case for a 12-pack. But for the soda, like I said, you gotta have a 12-pack of soda. And then also, as a bonus tip, you can bring a bottle of wine per person, 750 milliliters. My bonus tip for that is bring a screw top. Because if you bring a screw top, apparently Bingo wants you to bring a screw top too. If you bring a screw top, then you don't have to pay the corkage fee of $10 if you have to have them open the bottle of wine.
Well, it was nice talking to you, Mom.
Nice talking to you too.
And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is Siobhan.
And this is Brandon.
And we are...
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Yeah.